Hi gorgeous! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a full face makeup using only 3 makeup products. What? Full face of makeup using only 3 makeup products? Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. Let me show you. As usual, you have to prep your skin beforehand, so moisturizer, sun protection, and then the primer. Here comes the first product. Foundation is the first product that I'm using here. Specifically I'm using a matte foundation here because I don't have to set the foundation, so I'm applying it using a beauty blender. After that, normally now it's time to put on a concealer, but in today's makeup look I'm not using a concealer. I'm using another layer of this full coverage foundation instead of the concealer. Now I'm applying the foundation again on the areas that I'm usually using my concealer. Now I'm blending the concealer using my finger. Here comes the second product. I'm using my brow pomade to fill in my brows using a flat angular brush like this. As I usually say, don't make the inner corners of your eyebrows too dark. Concentrate on the outer corner of your eyebrows. And I'm going to use my lipstick as the last product. No, I'm not kidding. So first I'm using my lipstick as my blusher. You can replace it with a cream blush. Take a little bit of this product, blend it like this. Don't drag your finger over the cheek because it may make the foundation come off, so be careful. Tap 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 until you are satisfied with the look. And after that I'm taking the same finger, same product onto the outer corner of my eyes as an eyeshadow. So start with the outer corner of your eyes. Don't take too much product. You can always build it up until you get the color that you want. Again, don't drag your finger, just tap tap tap. Gradually make your way into your inner corner of the eye, lighter on the inside and darker on the outside. Okay? Right. After that, I'm using my brow pomade as the eyeliner. So take a little brush like this, a small, flat and angular brush, and start your eyeliner at the outer corner of your eye and make it thinner at first and gradually make your way in. Alright, now finally I'm going to apply some lipstick. Yep, with the same product that I used. If you are using a cream blush, you can add a little bit of cream blush over your lips using your finger again. And this is the full face of makeup using only 3 makeup products. Yes, we did it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and comment what you want to see in my upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want you to know that you are beautiful inside and out. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.